Banat Gold. Ate Queen.
Go to this tango. Ate, kami. Tara.
Today is his birthday. Daddy.
It's our birthday. Dad's birthday. Guys, I'm from. It's the birthday of Daddy.
And
Daddy, picture of fuck. It's my dad's birthday. 10 years ago I was born.
At Queen's
10 years ago I was born. My mom is Tabby. And now I was 10 years old. I was born on November 29. Behind the camera was my dad. And my dad was also born in November 29. So we have the same birthday. Mama, should I tell Daddy's age? Daddy is 44 and I 44 and I am 10 years old. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. It's too young for me. 44 years old.
24.
I'm going to reach 150 years old.
Mali yung video dito sa baba.
Dito tayo sa rooftop ng Microtel Hub, UP, Quezon City. Relax konti.